Alright, I've just pinched the kill switch off of the KTM60. I'm going to fit this kill switch to the Gas 125. This is the new kill switch connections. One goes on there, and the earth goes under there. Just got to disconnect this. Right, I've got to put a new connector on because that's a female, and the new kill switch as a female. I put a new one of these on and connected it up. I'll do this back up. The earth's on now. Right, this is on now. Right, look for the spark. And then with the kill switch in, kill switch off. Lovely job. Cable was a bit longer, so I wrapped it around a few times. A few zip ties.